got Rock putting the Kubota up. This is a project I've been wanting to get started on for a long time. This is a bumper winch off of a truck. I don't know what size truck it come off of. Not a huge truck, but I'm gonna make it into a 3-point hitch winch to go on a tractor. I'm going to weld a cage coming up and over, of course, to protect me or whoever's on the tractor at the time. I'm going to be able to utilize the truck frame. I'll gusset it inside, but that's going to work out perfect to put my pins. I'm going to fix my pins for the tractor lift here and here. Then I'll come in and I'll brace this across with some steel, and I'll put my top link coming up. The winch is put in and out of gear right here with the hand lever, and the PTO is right there. I have the PTO shaft for this. I'll have to cut it and re-weld it to a tractor PTO, which I have all of that over here in front of the wood stove. I've had this for a while. This is the PTO end. This is the tractor PTO end I'm going to use. This is the good end of the PTO for the tractor. This is just the end of it. I'll slice that off, and I'll put this end down here. That way I'll have and of course I'm probably gonna have to cut that. I don't know length on that yet. I haven't got that far with it. I need to brace this all up and get this where I can use it. It's got a real nice fair lead on it. I've thought about raising the fair lead, but to be honest, this is about how high it's going to sit. So I don't think I'm going to need to do that. I've also got a 72-inch blade out here. This is a fairly heavy blade. It's flipped over now, but it's just an old grader blade off of a tractor. I'm going to take that and mount this blade to the front of this winch, so it'll be sitting basically right here where my finger is, and that will that's what's going to dig into the ground. I also have some rippers up on the hill that I hope that blade is enough to dig into the ground to stop the tractor, and that's also going to be convenient to pull the logs up against to pull with also. So got a little bit of welding to do right here. Hopefully everything will turn out and work okay. I'm looking forward to getting this together and using it. I don't burn a whole lot of wood. I burn a little bit of wood in here in my shop, and that's about it. And I don't have a stove in the house. My dad burns a lot of wood, and I'm gonna try to get this together to possibly get in some firewood here in the next little bit. I don't know if I need this piece on the side. This winch came off a truck, like I said, from the power company, I think, like Floyd Pike or somebody like that. This apparatus out here was used for some kind of something else. I don't know what, but winding cable, I reckon, on a spool. But I'm going to go ahead and try to fix this up in the next couple of days. Like you can see out there, it's a little muddy outside the shop. I was going to get some wood in today. I was planning on taking the Kubota and the International, hauling it over to the other place we have and pulling some logs out and loading them on the International and pulling them home and sawing them up for wood at my dad's place. He needs some wood. He's all right. It's near Christmas. I'm off for a few days. Hopefully we can get over there and get some wood out. But I think this is going to work real good. I'm pretty sure. I'm looking forward to getting started on it and trying to get it together. If you like what you're seeing, hopefully I'm gonna try to do some filming here with my magnetic camera and get some footage of the actual build of this. Like I say, I've been wanting to do this for a while. I just hadn't. Now that it's in the building, I'll probably try to fix it. But like I said, this thing, I think this came off like a 3/4 ton or a ton. Might have been a 2-ton truck. I don't know. Anyway, like and subscribe.